I'm not hungry.
It's food. It's food. You're not hungry. You don't need to say this now.
Caro, you can't say that. Caro, for days now, you haven't taken anything, food. You are just starving yourself for nothing. Remember, you have your father and your sister Kate. And wherever they are now, their wish is for you to be strong. You have to eat food so that you get strong.
You don't need to be starving yourself. Take food and eat. Take food.
Listen, George. Don't think you're risking so much for me. Listen, I don't want you to lose your life because of me. It is my fight, and I will fight it. I'll fight it. It's my fight.
Now let me tell you my story. Jagger killed my parents. He rendered me fatherless and motherless. In fact, I will fight and I will stop at nothing to make sure he is brought to justice. He must pay. Look at you. You still have your father and your sister Kate. They are still alive and they need you to be strong. They are alive meaning that one day you will still see them eyeball to eyeball.
You have to eat so that you be strong. I know why I'm doing this.
But how do you know if they are still alive? How?
My instincts. My instincts cannot disappoint me. I know. Oh, don't worry, I will feed you. Don't worry. Let me just. It's okay. You have to cheer up.
See, each time you shed tears, I see beauty in you. I'm telling you the truth. But you can't continue shedding the tears. So you need to eat. You need to eat.
Take it. Be strong. It's okay, don't worry. Yeah, I'll take it. You want to buy it?
I don't know about you, but I don't know when this is totality or and despotic of Jagger will end in this community.
My brother, I don't know what wrong our people have done in sending Jagger to overseas.
Exactly.
To learn the white man's tradition and bring development to our community. I don't actually know.
In fact, he is a complete failure.
Yes, of course.
Failure.
Unchain them, animal.
Move it! Move it! Move it!
Move it!
Move inside! Coward! Move it! You will stop a fly. Move it inside! Come.
What's that? This is not a camp for lovers. Take your hands off her or I slice her throats.
What did you do?
Take your hands off her!
Call.
Leave him alone!
Come on, leave him alone!
Leave her!
Fat man. Fat man.
Hey!
Please, can I have some food to eat?
Oh, you are rude enough to call me a fat man. No problem. Just pray that another buyer will not come here. Because if I sell you out, that is where you can eat enough food as you want. Eh?
Please, can I have water to drink?
Oh, if you have a cup, you bring, let me pull my urine. You can drink. Idiot.
Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine.
Oh, you even have time to sing. No problem, sing. Sing. See, if you sing one more time, I will sell you before your time in this cell. Look at you. You are singing for your selling. No, sing, continue. Before I know it, you lose this cell. Nonsense.
Mistaken. Chifibo, we have to, be very, very cautious of Jagger. He is a very dangerous guy. And he's capable of doing anything.
I fear no one. Because I will write to the
headquarters.
Thank you. The
community now.
Thank you. Must know what is happening in Zula land. We have been enslaved.
I'm in total agreement with you.
Thank you.
But we have to tread with caution. I got bachapuanya.
Yes, I agree with you. We must use wisdom when we send letters to the headquarters so that it won't be traced to us.
Don't tell me that you're scared.
Hey, no, I'm not scared.
Okay.
But I don't want to die. I have a beautiful wife with lovely children. Please. This man, Chishibo, is ready to take over my wife if I die. I have a beautiful wife. Let's go, gentlemen. Mistaken. How is school?
Fine.
Yeah, students?
Fine.
Okay. All right.
Oh yeah, okay. That is what I'm saying. Yes. It's okay. We have to. That is better.
Echi Odemba. What do we do now? Do you think it is wise for us to go and meet High Commissioner Jagger and inform him about all the happenings?
You are still thinking if it's wise, eh? No, wait, let me ask you. So you want to use drug for the nose and put it inside your eyes? You know we are very close to the government. And I don't want anything to stand between myself and the gifts I receive from Jagger. No! Let me tell you something. Jagger has changed my life completely.
But come to think of it. Come to think of it. They have a point.
What point do they have? No, I'm asking you. What point do they have? As far as I'm concerned, Jagger is doing a very nice job. After all, we didn't follow him to the white man's country. Or did you? So, what he knows, we don't know. Yes.
What about the killings in Zula land?
Have you lost any of yours? Have you lost your own?
Not at all.
So what are you talking about? Let's enjoy ourselves while it lasts. If you don't have any other thing to say, let's go meet Jagger and tell him everything that is going on. Okay. That's all.
Let's go.
Let's go. You don't talk if we still want to go. You want us to lose what we get from Jagger? Hey.
Stop here. Stop there. You think you can keep Jagger or the queen waiting? Why haven't you paid your task? Have you paid your tax?
Or do you have it here?
Tax. Are you not the one I'm asking? Since this thing.
Hey! What is it? Stop hitting him! Stop it! Stop it. I say you should stop it. Huh?
What did you do?
Because I've not paid my levy and my tax. Jagger sent his boy to come and collect the only property my father left for me. Bikolulu, my bicycle, my radio, Bikolulu.
Move it!
Have you seen that he's owing?
Yeah.
Better go back.
Get back. Get back!
You see what we are talking about? How do you expect somebody who is not working, who doesn't even have a farmland, to pay tax?
This is a sacrilege in our
community.
Thank you. The High Commissioner, thank you. I was
May thunder strike that your silly, stupid thing you call a mouth for greeting me. What is so good about today?
Sorry, High Commissioner.
You are the one who wants to challenge my government, right?
No. Can I challenge your government?
Fool. Why do you keep stammer?
No, it's just that my stammering affects my system. Please, High Commissioner, have mercy on my
May your proposal roast in hell. Look, where are the 10 tubers of yam, 10 gallons of palm oil, 20 shillings you were supposed to pay the government as dues? Where are they?
High Commissioner, I promise to bring them in the next two market weeks.
Listen, let me warn you. If I don't get it before the end of tomorrow, you'll be dead. And that also goes for your friends. Tell all of them to pay the dues to government before you start your tomorrow, idiot fool. Get out of my sight. Thank you, idiot.
Please, my friend has gone. No matter what he has said, please, I want to see Commissioner so that I can beg him to. Please. My High Commissioner, please, I have come to beg you. My friend has gone. No matter what he has done, try and forgive him. You know, when you beat a baby with one hand, you bring him back with the other one. Please, I'm only here to pay respect and honor to you.
How dare you talk about respect and honor? Everything you've said now is just nonsense. Arrant nonsense. You talk about respect and honor. Where is the white man's drink you're supposed to bring? Where is the palm wine or even the kola nut? And you talk about respect. You're wasting my time. Would you leave now before I lose my temper? And tell that friend of yours, that old fool, this will be the last time he sets his foot on my territory. Fool.
You think you can join the parade anytime you wish?
No, sir.
Step out. Out of the line. Me? Step out of the line. Yes. Out! Attention by number squad 1!
1!
All the pressure's on him. Yeah, can I look at guys like I look at a guy like Prince. You know that guy fucks. Yeah. I know I don't fuck with Prince. Prince can fuck. I fuck like David Shaw. You know I fuck like Ross from Friends.
Good.
How does he do it?
The floating spoon. Check it out. My dick and balls.
Oh my god. I don't eat my own dick. I eat my dick.
Kelly, I think this room has rodents. I just saw it. Did I eat my starfish? What happened to my starfish? Oh my god.
I'm gonna deep throat this egg Claire.
Oh my god, he's so bad.
Whoa.
I thought I was gonna choke.
What is you doing here, Onyenche 1, Onyenche 2? What is you doing here? Eh? What is you doing here? You coming to destroy my stereo again? Or you coming to kill me? What is you doing here, Ndinche 1 and Ndinche 2?
Hey! Today is our day. There will be no come and save you.
No coming nearly me, oh. No coming nearly me, oh. Leave my lady, no. Leave my lady. Every time you come here to disturbing my lady, I don't like it, oh. No come nearly me, oh.
Hey, enough of that, your nonsense. Come, let's take it away.
Come near me. If you're not feeling, come. Come nearly. I use this hot manu and pour on your phone and you ugly like Jagger. Come in nearly me if you're not feeling. Come nearly me now. Come nearly me. Come nearly me. I put this thing on your phone. You burning it. You ugly like Jagger. Come nearly me. Every time you come in here to kill me, you kill my stereo. Now I want to kill my trade. Wickeding people. Nonsense. You don't want to buy my lady. You come here to be looking for my trouble. Stop looking for my trouble on Ndinche 1 and 2. You looking for somebody's trouble. Come in nearly me. I do your face. You ugly like that. What are you doing here? What are you doing? What are you doing? Leaving me or not killing me or not killing me? Not killing me, killing me! Helping me! Killing me! They want to kill me! Helping me! Helping me!
I'm the one that brought her. Ain't it? Get out of your mind. Are you challenging me? Come on.
I crying now, helping me! I want to kill me! I not laughing now! They are not killing me! Don't do it me! No, I don't do it! Hey!
Hands up! Hands up!
They want to kill me! They want to kill me! They want to kill me! Wicked people!
I will deal with all of you when I'm back.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Wicked people! Wicked like Jagger!
Master, there's no need talking to this one. He's deaf and dumb.
What is happening?
What are you waiting for? Go in and search inside the place.
What is happening? What is happening? Are you looking?
There's no one outside, sir.
What do you mean there's no one there? Have you searched the whole place?
I searched the whole place very well, sir.
You, where are the rebels?
You talking me?
I said, where are the rebels?
I'm not knowing what you're talking about.
Bring him along with us. Drag him! Drag him! You want to be the hero? I'll show you how to be a hero. Come on, move.
Bula!
Not that. Not that. Not that. So let's see how strong it can be. Look at those there. Give me one. You don't die. You don't die. You don't die. It's okay, he's dead. He's dead.
out of your mind?
No. I can't just stay back and watch Jagger imprison my sister.
So what do
I have to do something. I must do something. In fact, I must save her now. I must save her.
You are really funny. I'm telling you the truth. Let me tell you, the policemen don't even have access to Jagger's castle. And here you are. Going there is suicidal. So you better get out of here now before any of his men catches us.
See, I'm not scared of Jagger or any of his men. I must save my sister.
Being scared of Jagger is not optional. It is a necessity. Get that into your head. Now move inside.
Yeah, I'm not...
What?
Did you hear that?
Hear what? It's none of your business. Now keep going.
Please, let's go find out. She could need our help, you know. Let's go. Let's go find out.
Imagine, sort of had to think on how to save her sister from the hands of Jagger. And she is here thinking to save someone she doesn't even know anything about. You amaze me.
Leave her alone! Leave her alone now!
And what if I don't?
Then you will have me here to contend. Leave that girl once.
I spare your life once.
This time, I swear in the name of Jagger One of Zulaland, I will kill you.
You are just a madman. I don't need extra hands to get you here.
Leave the girl or you will have me to confront you. Are you with me?
Come.
Are you with me? You wanna try me?
Oh yeah, run, go.
You wanna try me?
Oh my God! What have I done?
I don't know.
What have I done? Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay? Please, let's get out from here.
I'm not liking this village, oh. I'm not staying here again. This village is liking killing people. It's liking too much blood. I'm not liking here. Wicked people like Jagger. Jagger, you carry yourself, God. You carry yourself, God. You are not God, oh. You are not God, Jagger. God will be punishing you. God will be punishing you, Jagger. You carry yourself, God. You are not God, oh. He is not God, Jagger. I'm not liking here. I'm going looking for my white man. I'm going looking for my white man. Mission is saying, journey of million movement is starting with one stepping. I'm going.
Come on, move it! Fight! Come on, fight! Fight him! Fight him! Are you mad?
I won.
This one, oh yeah, let's go.
Fight.
This one.
No! Why are they using our men for money?
Keep your mouth shut.
This is wickedness!
They're not meant to fight!
Stop fighting! Stop them!
Move it! Come on, move it! Come on. Is it what? Move it now! Move it! Come on, move it! Move it now!
Back to your position.
Get away.
Come on, help me, I'm getting tired. You will win me.
Nice doing business with you. Thank you, sir. Wait. For your effort. Papa. Food, oh. If you know how she suffered me, I have to crawl. Crawl. Hey!
I had to crawl. Others were running, you were crawling.
No, I wasn't kind of.
Cut down his ration.
Yes.
No, don't even joke with my food.
Go back to your post.
Don't joke with my food.
Go back to your position.
Better sit down there and stop crying like what? Look at that man eating.
Hey! Hey! That's how you should do
And you, what do you think you're doing?
Oh, that's wrong.
Instead of you to slam that man, you're eating off the food. Are you stupid?
No.
Is he eating the food meant for the slaves?
No,
you just don't dare to. I'm cutting down your ration.
Yes.
Where's Sojobo? Where's Sojobo?
He's not around.
Where's your master?
He's inside.
Where's your master? Please. I demand to see him now!
He's not around. My master.
I paid for an elderly woman that will take care of the white man kitchen, and all you could do is to give me a dead one. I demand an exchange right now.
Please, calm down. Calm down, please.
I said I demand an exchange.
In fact, I'm not taking one anymore. I'm taking two. In fact, three.
Three is too much.
My friend, okay, I will make it 4.
Huh? How many do we have that is taking for free? Just for refund.
Okay, let's go in. Just let's go in, please. I told you that I will give you.
Please, wait, stop pleasing me.
It's okay.
Stand up.
Make
Stand
a
up, all of you. Stand up.
Make a choice.
All the ladies, stand up.
I said stand up, be fast about it. My friend, I don't need you.
Turn around.
Sit down.
Turn around.
In fact, I don't want an elderly woman anymore. I need a younger person.
It's okay. Make a choice.
Now, turn around. You can all turn around now.
I want this.
You. Yes, you.
No. You're not taking her. She's my sister.
Shut up. God, shut up.
You're not taking her. She's
Shut
my
up.
sister.
My friend, bring her out. I don't have time. I want to leave this place.
Go in and bring them out.
She's my sister. You're not taking her nowhere.
You're a rat. I know you. Rat.
Hasten up, hasten up. I said hasten up and you are wasting my time.
Mr. Man, I don't have all day.
No. Where to get to?
Shut up, rat! Rat!
I'm not your rat.
Rat!
She's my sister.
Rat! Rat! Stand here. Hey, you, stand here. I told you she's strong.
Don't touch her. Don't touch her. She's my sister. Stop it.
Rat! Shut up.
Stop it.
Hey! It's not necessary. Move it. This side.
Move. I hope you're okay with this.
You move.
I told you. Hey! I'll handle it.
This side.
Move.
Come on, hurry up. When my master comes back, I'll explain this to him. It's okay.
I pray this doesn't repeat
It
itself
won't
again.
repeat itself. Trust me.
What's this one doing?
Hey! Take her!
Hey, move out!
Move out! Take her!
Let her go or I slice her throat.
This side.
You take care of it. I'm coming.
Rat!
I'm not your rat.
You're not a rat! Move inside!
I'm not your rat.
Move inside!
I'm not your rat.
Do you even deserve to have a sister? Do you even deserve to have a sister?
What nonsense. What impudence. The god of Zulaland. I'm indestructible. What a hilarious, funny dream. What a dream. What a dream.
Gentlemen, take a look at the booth and see if he's coming.
What took you so long? I've been standing here. You've been wasting my time.
Can I feel your palm? Can I feel it?
What do the gods say?
Anger! Anger is the most important passion of man. It affects nothing. Yet it goes around. It hurts the mind that it possesses.
What are you talking about, sir? What do the gods say?
In your palms, I see blood of the innocent. So much blood. You yell out. You cry out for vengeance. Jagger. You cry out.
You're beginning to annoy and irritate me. I said, tell me what the gods say. You're talking about blood and anger.
Jagger. Fairness is the law of life. Your days are numbered, Jagger. Your days are numbered.
And you won't live to see my days that are numbered. Fool.
Oh, my good friend. You're a great leader. You know that.
You can say that again. Yeah, cheers to that.
I really appreciate this. I really appreciate this. But you have not graced me with those type of things.
Like what? Say it and it's done.
See, one is getting old. Old age is around. We need fresh things to reactivate. You know what I mean?
High Commissioner Mutomba. You will never change. You rascal.
You can read my senses. You can read my senses.
I understand you.
You know what I mean?
I know. You can go into my chamber. You can go into my chambers. There's something there waiting for you. Activate it with your 5 senses. High Commissioner Mutombe.
Jaja!
What happened?
You kept the vampire in your house.
What do you mean I kept the vampire?
She gave me a bite. She gave me a bite.
What? Go in there and bring it that demon now. Take her into the evil forest and bury her alive now!
are good, Sha. This time. They are good. I like the village.
There's actually a road there.
Yes, sir. That's some of the roads is where these bad boys do operate from.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome, sir. We've been expecting you, sir.
From today, no more Jagger, 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 no more Jagger. Jagger pasola niwe. Agalewe, apasola niwe. Agalewe. Jagger pasola niwe. Agalewe, apasola niwe. Agalewe. Jagger pasola niwe.
Wait, you mean all these things has been happening in Sula?
Even worse than I told you. That man is a total tyrant. Don't even try him. Forget this uniform, please. For your life, Dikeh.
Here, if you talk of Jagger, that is the highest level of treason, and death is the penalty. Oh.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I assure you all, justice will take its full course.
Now, because of my leg now.
Why are you laughing?
Oga officer, Oga policeman, let me just advise you. Listen, let me advise you. You see this man called Jagger? Don't even try him. He's a no-go area. In this our Zula kingdom, he is the law, 1. He is the government, 2. He owns all of us. Biko ada policewoman, do kwa Oga God. Jagger okwa habisa happy people.
Did you just see that? This is slavery.
Are you sure we can handle this?
Of course we can. Listen, we have the support of the headquarters. We just have to be courageous. Do you understand? That is the only way we can defeat him. Let's get out of here. We have a lot of work to do.
Okay, sir.
You have come to the end of the road today. Your
father will never set eyes on you again till I send him to meet his wretched, miserable father in the land of the spirits.
You will never have peace.
Peace. I have all the peace I need. I give peace unto who I want to give peace.
You'll be miserable all the days of your life.
Poor thing.
Vultures will eat you with your eyes open.
Poor miserable thing.
God will always be judging you, and he will keep on judging you.
There is no other except me, and there's no better judgment than the one I, Jagger the Great, gives. And I have judged you, and you will die.
You will die the same way you kill people.
Is the fish ready?
Yes, the great one.
Go and bring it.
Please, someone help! Please help! Someone please help us! Madam, please help! Don't you have a heart? Are you not a woman?
We need your help. The little girl, she's dying.
Hey.
Let her die. She'll make very beautiful breakfast for my pets.
Oh, mommy. You're very wicked.
Huh?
If she were your daughter, would you have allowed her to die?
Do I look like her parents who allowed her to wander alone in the forest? Where did they expect her to end up if not here? Get back to your position and sit down!
The truth is, does she even look like a married woman? Huh? Does she look like someone that is married?
Please help her, please. Please look
Please
at her,
help
please.
the poor girl,
What are we
please.
going to do? Please help her, please. What are we going to do?
Do you have yam?
Do I have what?
Yam.
Is that the only thing you can think about?
Food? Where can we get the right herbs?
Are we quarreling? I just asked if you have yam. I don't even used to eat yam by this time. You don't know what I want to use it for another time. I'm asking you, just answer me now. Huh?
I don't have yam.
Simple. Maybe I will not do what I want to do with yam.
Where can we get the right herbs?
I have to yam.
I can manage.
Where can we get the right herbs?
Welcome, Master.
Welcome, Master.
You!
Me?
Yes, come out here now.
Did you not hear the instruction? Come out!
No! This is unfair! This is unfair!
Shut up!
What was that you called him again?
Rat! Woman, you are a disgrace to womanhood.
Shut up! You dare not speak in front of the great Ojobo without his permission. Dikeh!
I take him too.
Come on, move it!
No problem. Just shake. Very soon it will be your turn to sell. No, just shake.
It's okay.
My commodities are always of great quality.
You can leave now. Who do we have here, you little demon? So you're still alive? Now I got you in my net.
Jaja, haven't you done enough harm to my family? What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
Shut up! Everything that belongs to that miserable poor cocoyam farmer you call a father.
You bastard! You killed my mother!
And your father will join her soon. By the time I'm through with you, I'll take everything that belongs to you, and you will be my property. Now go down on your knees.
Leave us alone! Leave me alone!
Go down on your knees, or I'll ask my men to shoot you.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Master!
My eyes! That's a trouble. That's a trouble.
Master, he's here.
Ojogo.
The great one.
Look for that bitch, that little demon. Get her from me now. Now!
This way. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Running is not easy. If I continue like this, I might likely die before I meet this girl. Huh? There must be a shortcut to a long road. Let them do the chasing. Why? I do the catching.
You are safe now, okay? Listen, let me tell you something. I promise you one thing. Justice will take its full course.
Please, sir. We need to save a man. She's just a child.
It's okay. Don't worry. I will do everything within my powers to make sure that she's safe.
Thank you so much. But sir, please, I would like one more favor from you, please.
Go on, I'm listening.
I would love to see my father.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'll see to that. I'll see to that, don't worry.
Thank you so much.
It's okay, it's okay. You know what, I'll take you somewhere safe, where you can stay for now, okay?
Caro. 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 What are you doing here?
I'm tired.
But I gave you a room to sleep.
But I'm okay here.
No. Come on, you've had a rough day. And the least I can offer is a bed to sleep on.
Please.
Come on. It's okay. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up. Let me take you to your room. Please, get up. Get up, get up. Okay, get up. Get up.
It's okay, don't worry. My boys will handle it.
Hey, hold it there!
Caro.
See what they have done to you. They must never go unpunished. But we punish him.
My daughter, stop crying. If you keep crying, you are going to increase my sorrow and multiply my grief. Please, you are my source of joy. It breaks my heart to see you cry. I wonder what your life will be if that wicked man makes you an orphan. This is a crying period for us. Stop crying.
But Father, what have we done to him? Why did he hate us so much?
It's a long story. Jagger and I used to be the best of friends. Yes. Yes.
Jagger, I believe that this season is going to be better than last season. At least, I will have more to harvest.
Yes. Considering the fact that there is too much rainy season this year, and you worked harder this year more than last year.
Thank you, my brother. You'll be helping me so much. The way you come around to accompany me, and I really appreciate it. You don't have a farm now, I could have been helping you out.
Don't need to worry, that one is not a business. This one is so big. You know, and it's big. It's enough for both of us. Of course. In fact, I love my fishing business. Okay, you know I love traveling. I don't need me to tell you.
But that won't stop you from helping me. Come and help. I'm your friend.
Raza.
Come and help me.
I will try.
Not that you will try, come.
For today.
Come and, not only today. You're my friend. What are friends for? You can start from this side.
Two bars of yam.
Come and beg. Start from this side now. Take it easier. Here comes the beauty of Zululand. She is so beautiful, like the morning sun.
My bride, you know, the thought of our love always gave me joy. What else would I have asked from the gods?
Fair words, my friend, never hurts the heart. She has the perfect beauty in her. Agnes, the sunshine of Zululand. How are you?
Lazarus, well done.
Welcome.
My love, your beauty keeps increasing as days go by.
I thought both of you would be hungry, so I brought food.
How did you know we are hungry?
You asked it too much questions. Let me help you. You can come and join me when you are done.
I don't want to ever go through this world again. So, any kindness or any love I show to any creature, I want it to be you. You are my sunshine. I don't want to neglect it. I want to be with you forever.
You know, such thoughts always find us close and keep us together. Yeah. You're my sunshine. You're my everything. You're my world. Now close your eyes and make a wish.
I want to be with you forever.
Thank you so much. Can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
Well, will you marry me?
Yes, yes I will.
Thank you so much. I'm telling you, if you see how heavy, how big this fish I killed yesterday is, because I've been favorable to me.
I know, you're a strong man, but I want you to know that fishing is not the only ultimate.
I know, which one is the ultimate?
Come and join me in my family.
I am not interested.
Are you sure?
I am not interested. I love my fishing work.
Yeah, I love my work too.
My friend, let's not forget. Agnes has agreed to marry me.
You are joking. Are you serious? Hey, Odogwu. Hey, I'm happy for you. Hey, Agnes, marry you.
Hey! I forgot to tell you. Seriously.
See. My friend, I want you to understand that marriage is not the end. There are many difficulties in marriage. Most of you must have the sense of reasoning and nothing can occur back. I'm happy for you, my friend.
Well, thanks for the gods.
Hey! Odogu, this calls for celebration. Actually, I was heading to the house to go and drop this thing, but from there, we'll go to Konja Bar and have some fresh palm wine. Odogu, you know, yes, so. Hey! Hey, what kike?
My brothers, we are lucky to be recognized by white men. One of us will go to represent us in white man's house, your land. To learn the way, the ways of the white men.
Okay.
And come back home and teach us in order to bring development to Zula land.
Hey. I'm so excited that in my lifetime, good things are happening in Zula land. But my question is, among the youths in this kingdom, who is going to represent us?
Wait. What we are looking for is not too far from us. Yes, I suggest Jagger, the only son of late Okoronkwo, the trader now, who died many years ago. You are right. That young man is vibrant. He has traveled wide. He's the best suitable for this. He took after his father.
Yes. I have no objection to that at all. We have to go and see him and inform him what the people of Zula land have agreed, and to tell him about the journey he's going to embark.
The elders of Zula land, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
To what do I owe this this visit today?
Jaja the Great.
Oh?
The true son of his father. The pride of Zula land.
My elders, I'm still confused. What is going on?
Jaja, the people of Zula land need your help.
My help?
Yes, your help.
Me, an ordinary petty trader. What can I do for the great land of Zula?
Listen. You have been chosen by the council to go to the white man's land and study and learn their way and culture, so that when you come back, you will bring development to the people of Zula land.
Thank to the gods. I'm really happy. I'm really happy to hear this.
Yes.
I'm honored. But who am I to receive such an honor?
See, my friend, when a child washes his hands clean, he dines with the elders.
Yeah.
Your father was a great man, and you took after him. Amongst all the youths in Zula land, you are the most eligible because of your connections in moving far and wide in your business. We can't think of another.
Thank you, my elders.
Yeah.
Like I said earlier, I don't know what to say, but I appreciate. I promise I will never disappoint the people of Zula Kingdom. Yes, that is my promise.
Thank you very much. As a matter of fact, it's an urgent cause.
Okay.
You will be sailing with the white people by sunset tomorrow. We have to leave now. You have to put your things together and your house in order.
Okay,
so,
I've heard what people said. You said I'll be leaving with the white man tomorrow by sunset.
Yeah.
Okay, I've heard what you people said.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I forget to offer people cola.
No problem, no problem. Jaja, congratulations.
I can't believe you agreed to that. What will happen to me and my baby?
Listen, my love, you know I've always wanted to travel abroad to the white master. Okay? Listen, I want to take care of you and your unborn child. Okay, take a good look at where we are staying. Do you like that? I want you to understand me. Okay, I want you to understand me. Just look at all these things. I want to travel there, come back, become much popular, much recognized. Please. Meanwhile, Lazarus will take care of you and the baby when I'm away. Please, I want you to understand me.
It seems your mission is more important than us. But just know that we can't cope without you.
What? How do you bring the food, oh? Ew. You see how hungry I am now, eh? You will run from wherever you are. Okay. Oh! Oh! Okay, this food is so delicious. Oh! Aggie. Oh! Join me now. Show hand and join me. No, wash your two hands. I join you.
Why not let the council decide? I've opened up a case between you and Lazarus. See you at the council tomorrow.
Do you know what happens to people who stand in the middle of the road? They get crushed. Let's go.